Say no to flabby arms. Hey, I'm Coach Greg with Svelte Training. Today we have a seated, no more flabby arms workout for you. This is really gonna help tighten and tone your arms. Maybe you don't want them to look like this, but they're gonna look very sexy on you, don't you worry. So let's get started. Alrighty, take a seat, grab some water. We're gonna do 4 exercises, 3 sets total. First set will be more explaining and demonstrating the exact exercises for you. And then we'll do 2 more sets following. There'll be less talking on my part, more doing on yours. So let's get started with set number 1. All right, to start off, we are gonna do some W's. Let's put 30 seconds on the clock. Get your arms up, and here we go. So we just want our arms at a 90-degree angle, and we're just focus on rotating over just like that. Be nice and gentle, just like this. This is coming from the rotator cuff. You're gonna feel it all up in your triceps as well. I was recovering from impingement in my shoulder or whatever, and these exercises were so good for it, especially if you do them with bands. But they also help tighten and tone everything. So try to keep that 90-degree angle. Here it is. Let's do one more, and done. Great job. Moving right along into walnut crushers. We kind of want, I'll go from the side so you can see better, but you want your arms, keep them straight in front of you like this, at almost a 45-degree angle, and all we're doing is focusing on pulling those elbows back. Pretend there's a walnut between your shoulder blades, and we're just focusing on crushing it. So 30 seconds, and here we go. So pull, just like that. Keeping at this angle makes us fight against gravity. So you're gonna feel it all up here. It's more of a back, right back here exercise, but you're gonna feel it in your triceps. And the longer you keep your arms up, the more fatigue they're gonna get. It's gonna be very nice. So let's go from the back for you. Just really pull, just like that. Now don't strain too hard. We don't want you to pull a muscle or anything, but just focus on this nice, constant tension. Let's do 3 more seconds, 2, and 1. Great job. Moving right along into our third exercise. We have front raises, 2 T's. Here we go. 30 seconds, sit up nice and tall. I like to keep my palms facing each other, so we're gonna really reach, go up to a front raise like this, and then we're gonna go to a T right to the side, just like this. So really reach forward, boom. So keep this constant tension. You may be tempted just to relax your arms, but keep your fingertips reaching the whole time, and you're really gonna feel it. Try to control the descent as well. Don't just let your arms flop. Really reach up. Be intentional about all of this. So just like that. One more. Here we go. And drop. My arms are already fatigued and tired, but hey, we're trying to get rid of our flaps. So let's go ahead and finish this set with our last exercise. We have unicorn taps. Goal is we want our back of our palms. These should be called seals, probably. But we want the back of our palms to touch. So arms overhead in 3, 2, 1. Get your arms overhead, and we're just gonna focus on right here. Try not to drop your arms to the side because we want to keep that constant tension, but somewhere right up in here, just tap the back of your hands together. You're gonna feel it in your triceps and your arms. And again, the longer your arms are up, the more fatigue they're gonna get. And it's really gonna help work them out. So here we go. Just right overhead. Nice gentle taps. Don't strain too much. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Gently lower your arms. That was your first set done. How do you feel? I feel good. My arms feel tired, but I know we can do 2 more sets. So that's what we're gonna do after this quick water break. Alright, you ready? Come on, we're trying to get rid of these flabby arms. So let's finish with this set. Or 2 more sets, I should say. So set number 2 coming at you right now. W's in 3, 2, and 1. Walnut crushers in 3, 2, and 1. raise to T in 1, 2, let's go. Unicorn taps in 3, 2, 1. All right, set number 2 done. How are you feeling now? I gotta check in. Fatigued, maybe? You feel good? I feel those endorphins run through me right now because I know we have one more set to go. So I'm gonna grab some water and then we're gonna finish strong. All right, here we go. Don't even think about it. Let's just jump right into it. Set number 3, starting right now. W's in 3, 2, and 1. Walnut crushers in 3, 2, and 1. Front raise to T in 1, 2, let's go. Unicorn taps in 3, 2, 1. Great job. Give yourself a round of applause, maybe a pat on the back as well. There you have it. That's your No More Flabby Arms seated workout. I hope you like these exercises as much as I did. My arms already feel toned, nice and pumped. Love it. And if you do, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. Let us know what you think. Me, Coach Mer, Coach Gabby, we'd love to hear your thoughts. I'll see you in the next one. I'm Coach Greg, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.